Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with another makeup tutorial. In this video, I thought I would share with you some time-saving tips on how to pull yourself all the way together, even when you don't have time to make an appointment for the eyebrows or your lashes, or maybe even to go to the spa. I'm going to share with you some time-saving tips that you too can complete right at home. I'm hoping in this video will minimize your stress level, because I woke up feeling extremely stressed this morning. I kept thinking of all the appointments that I need to make, but really there are no time for me to make certain appointments. So this is the end result to the look. You'll see it's super duper simple, but it's very, very complete, if you know what I'm saying. So stay tuned for all my time-saving tips, and without further ado, happy holidays. Let's get right into the tutorial. Alright guys, let's get started. Of course, I'm starting with clean skin, and ooh girl, there's no time to go to the spa, but there's nothing better than taking your spa treatments in your own hand and creating your own perfect skincare routine. Of course, Badescu, Idealist by Estee Lauder, as well as the Advanced Night Repair Serum. These are the products that I do not go anywhere without. They keep my skin moisturized and hydrated, and of course, that means that I am getting rid of all the key signs of aging. Let's move on into brows. Of course, you never have enough time to go and get your brows done, but knowing how to fill them in with the perfect brow product is key. I also like to use a really good concealer to keep my lids really, really bright. Of course, to keep those tiny hairs that tend to pop into the eyebrow arch out of the way. So make sure that you find that combination as well. Of course, I love the Stalazi line, so I've used the Smokey Quartz in my eyebrows, and now I'm moving into Tiger Eye. These are borderline gel liners that I like to use as brow product as well as eyeshadow creams. They give me instant wow without a whole lot of blending. Rub it in with your fingers or use a brush, either way, and you're going to have a nice flush of color that it looks like you put in more time than you actually did. Of course, glitter is a big thing right now. I love using the array of Stila glitters just to pop them over my lid. This gives me a lot more wow for a little bit of time. What about those lashes, ladies? No one has time to go to a salon and get lash extensions, or they always tend to fall out at the most inopportune time. So I always coat my lashes with mascara, and I can stop there, but of course not. I can always use the Dolled Up Lashes by Stalazi, and these just definitely look like lash extensions. These are my favorite lashes, and of course that's winning. Now, let's move back to complexion. I love using a color corrector, and here is my Dymo Duo. This is the Stay Matte Foundation by Maybelline, and of course the Melanie Mills Body Gleam. I mix those two together, therefore I'm getting longevity in my foundation. I have a perfect complexion, and it really just makes my skin radiate all the way over. Popping that in to make sure that I have a nice full blend. This makeup is going to last all day. I pounce it in with a beauty blender. And of course, I can kind of come back and do a little bit more color correcting underneath the eye area, just to make sure that my skin is ready for whatever the day or night she'll bring. You can never go wrong with using a little bit of concealer, especially the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, just to create brightness and to also minimize any fine lines and wrinkles that might be apparent. But you're going to want to lightly, and I mean ever so lightly, set it with the RCMA powder, because of course this is going to make sure that complexion stays locked and loaded all day, or again, night. Now, this is a hit or miss for some people, but I love to contour. Contouring really does remove any weight from the face. I mean, who has time to go to the gym when the holidays are here? But we really want to enjoy our holiday festivities. So using a little bit of contouring, this brings the face directly into focus. It brings out those bone structures, and it really does erase all the baking that we've done, or more so the sampling that we've done from the baking. Using a little bit of contour, girl, she gets that skin all the way right. What about creating a little bit more glow? Ever thought about using a blush? Popping a little bit of blush on the apples of the cheek really does make it look like that we've had time to go the next level of that spot. But of course, it's just bringing that skin a lot of focus and a lot of sparkle. I'm absolutely obsessed with using contour, blush, and highlight to make the skin look like, you know what, we've had a little bit more time resting than we have running around. never have time for a blowout. I know, but you know what? Even when the blowout doesn't work perfectly as well, you notice that I did have on a shower cap in the beginning of the video. I used a deep conditioner and then I did a quick blow dry and we are good to go. Now I'm also gonna pop in a long wearing liquid lipstick. Thinking that you're liking this color? Ask me about her later. She's gonna launch in December of 2019. But we're going back to complexion, popping on a little bit of the Melanie Mills to pull the skin and the foundation all the way into focus, creating a little bit of glow, looking like I went to the spa and I really didn't. I just brushed on a little bit of Melanie Mills. And there you have some time-saving tips to get you through this holiday season. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video. Till next time, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.